So this video is going to demonstrate on Android how to download imagery and cache it locally to take offline. So I've got a bunch of different imagery sets, and one of the most helpful ones I have is this USA topo map, and it's being hosted by a third party. So you can see as I zoom in, it eventually shows me these tiles that say map data not available, and that's super annoying. So what I want to do is I want to take this offline, and I want to get rid of that map data not available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of zoom to the area around where I want. I'm going to come over here to the top left, my menu. I'm going to select download tiles. And the first thing it's going to do is select the max zoom level with tiles that show. So I'm going to say, like, zoom in here. You can see it shows level 16. If I zoom out a little bit to level 15, I can see my map. And that's what I want to do. I want to zoom to my last level where I see my tiles. Then I'm going to, this next question is split zoom tiles too. So what that means is I want to actually go down to, say, like 18 zoom. So I'm going to set this to 18 zoom. And what that's going to do is it's going to process the tiles and actually stretch them down to 18. You can try and go down to like 19 or 20. You may find that the process is really slow, but you'll get a really good zoom result. But for this demo, I'm just going to go to 18. So I click set zoom, and then I set extent. So I'm going to select the extent at which I want my tiles to be downloaded. And I'm going to pick an area. The larger area you select, the longer it's going to take. And it tells me it's going to be 2.95 megabytes. So I'm going to click download and wait for it to happen. Okay, I'm back. It took a few seconds to download, and now you'll see if I zoom in and I'm online, the same thing happens. But if I switch to offline mode, you can see I've got these tiles. You can see kind of the area where it grabbed the tiles from. And when I zoom in, it stretches in pretty close. You can see since I only went to 18, not 19 or 20, when I zoom into 19 and 20 zoom levels, it doesn't stretch, the tiles aren't there. So I could have actually pushed it a little bit further, but for my purposes, this is pretty good. And yeah, so that's some of the new features we have in terms of downloading tiles offline. Please test it and let us know what you think. Thank you.